Welcome to the first episode of the Cardinal's Cooking Show. My name is Chef Kaylee, and I have Chef Malia here with me today. On today's cooking show, we'll be making yummy treats called s'mores. S'mores have only 3 ingredients. Malia, can you tell us what the 3 ingredients are?
The ingredients are graham crackers, marshmallows, and this delicious chocolate right here. Before you start cooking, Cardinal, always make sure you have clean hands. You can use hand sanitizer or a sink.
The first step into making s'mores is you take half a graham cracker and place it on your plate. Then you take 3 to 4 pieces of chocolate, and place it on top of the graham cracker. Malia, what's next?
Now it's time to roast your marshmallow. Place a marshmallow on a skewer and roast to a golden brown. You can roast over a campfire or any other heat sources, like we have right here, but always have adult supervision. Once the marshmallow is roasted, you place it on top of your graham cracker with the chocolate. What's next, Kaylee?
Then you place the other half of your graham cracker on top. And there you go. We've made a delicious s'more to eat. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching us in today's Cardinal's Cooking Show. Time to go make some more s'mores.
Bye.